Oh my god, I've still got the remains of Patrick on me, but holy shit, this has to be done. I need to do this. Okay, this is going to be hella challenging, but I have an idea, and I am so sorry in advance for how cursed it is going to be. There's eyeballs everywhere. Dog's POV right now. Alright, we're coming along, okay? Phase 1 complete. Now. Oh my god. Okay, yeah. Alright, what's gonna happen is, this is, okay. I'm taping it to my face. I'm trying to, oh! Okay, now. Wait, let me try. Oh! No! Wait, that's supposed to go there.